Hi folks, this is Steve for Skywatch Media News, and I have some breaking news to report. A powerful meteor with a long trail of smoke has rocked the skies of western Cuba, exploding mid-air, shattering windows and raining charred meteorite rocks on people's homes. Before its spectacular demise over western Cuba, the space rock was seen crossing the skies above Florida. Details are a bit sketchy, but here is what is known at this time. The space rock exploded near the town of Vanales in the Pinar del Rio province at around 1:15 p.m. local time. Residents reported hearing two blasts as it broke apart and left a trail of smoke in the air. Coincidentally, the meteorite reportedly fell in an area where a huge rock painting of dinosaurs is located, which themselves are believed to have been wiped out by meteors millions of years ago. The National Weather Service in Key West reported that the meteor was visible over the Florida Keys as far north as Marathon prior to its entry over the Pinar del Rio province. So it appears that a meteorite impact occurred in western Cuba near the town of Vanales earlier this afternoon. The terrifying celestial event took place in the clear light of day as locals gathered in the street to catch the sky spectacle on their mobile phones. The charred meteorite rocks that rained down upon residents' homes were photographed and posted to social media. The Cuban government is mobilizing personnel to further investigate the incident. The latest incident comes just days after a devastating tornado struck Havana on January 27th. Resulting in extensive damage in a scene straight out of a Hollywood disaster movie. Further updates on the meteor explosion will be posted on the Skywatch Media News site and Facebook page. Thanks for watching.